In this section, we're going to talk about HTML5 and medias. Medias are a new feature of HTML, and if we are going to the w3schools.com website and we're going to html/media.sap, we will see some information about what multimedia is. Basically, we're talking about audio and videos. So whatever is sound, music, videos, movies, animation, etc. And here you find a list of all the supported formats by HTML5. Okay, so if you're using HTML5 directly to play your audio, your videos, you see which formats your file should be to be played, in order to be played. Okay, we have AVI and PEG. You see all the files, so you have to be first of all aware of which kind of file you have. So in my case, I have an MP3 file and I want to focus on the audio, and then I create a folder in media with here an MP3 file. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. I'm going to do the following. Here in my container, okay, I have a form with nothing here now, and I'm going to type here, for example, of page with audio, and here I'm going to put the following: audio, okay, and then source src and media .mp3. This is the source, so I need to specify the tag audio, and between these two tags I have to specify the source. Okay, and this guy is, I have audio and PEG. Okay, or otherwise your browser does not support audio. So what I'm doing is basically I'm using the element audio, which contains another element, source, okay, where the attributes of these elements are very important, as the src, so the source, the file path, basically my audio file, and the type of the source is an audio MPEG. Okay, you have to see which kind of source you are using. So okay, and then here I also type controls. Okay, then I'm going to refresh my page, and here you can see I have exactly the console to play my audio. If I play here now, you will listen to it.
Welcome and congratulations on taking the time to listen to this audio program. And hopefully it reached you in time. Because if you're like 90% of businesses out there, your advertising and marketing doesn't bring in nearly enough money.
So as you can see here, I have exactly a console with everything that I need to play an audio. It's really amazing. You see here the duration, the length of your audio, the volume. You can change the volume if you want. You can play it or pause it. So just with these simple instructions, audio, controls means that you display the controls, and then the source here. Okay, you may decide not to have the controls. Okay, now I can also do the following. I don't want to have the controls, but I want to put my audio in autoplay. So when the user comes to my web page, the audio will automatically be played.
Welcome and congratulations on taking the time to listen to this audio program. And hopefully it reached you in time. Because if you're not...
You saw, with just the instruction autoplay, have an audio that is played automatically in my web page, and you cannot control this because the controls instruction has been removed. But if I go back, okay, here we are, we have our console, we have our controls and our console, and we can play our audio. Okay.